So these competitions were held related to the topic pollution, its harmful effects, what are the solutions the students can devise for themselves. And I'm very, very happy that the students participated wholeheartedly in these competitions, as well as they did a wonderful job in their creativity. So without wasting much time, let me again welcome you all, and we will start for the felicitation of successful students. First, we are talking about the drawing competition. Topic was effects of pollution and its solution. The first qualifier, the first successful student who held the first rank is Bontha Padmakant. He is from Emerald Heights School. So I will request Padmakant to unmute himself. Padmakant, are you there? Yes. So I will stop sharing this and I request Oak sir to have a small talk with Padmakant. Oak sir.
Hello, Padmakant. Will you unmute yourself, beta? Please put on your mic. I also welcome your father, your mother.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Very good morning. So please tell me how you got this particular concept of having cycle and car and the shadow and the pollution and solution. How that thing came to your mind?
Yes, sir. A few days back, when Monica ma'am was teaching us about pollution, we have learned that vehicles are also responsible for pollution. Then I started observing in my surrounding, the people in my surrounding, my parents and neighbors, that they are using vehicles for even for shorter distance.
Okay.
Which they can travel from bicycle, either by bicycle or by a walk.
But do you have bicycle at your home?
No, sir, I don't.
Okay.
So, sir, I believe that we should travel shorter distance by either by bicycle or by walk. So, sir, I thought that it should be drawn, and we should avoid using vehicles for shorter distance.
Great thinking. Wonderful.
It would greatly help in protecting our environment from unnecessary pollution, and it would affect on our health, which will make ourselves healthy.
Wonderful. Your father, I want to talk to him.
Good morning,
is your
sir.
surname, I suppose. Good morning.
Sir, it is Bontha.
It is Bontha. Okay. So, Mr. Bontha, what are you doing? Means, in which department are you?
Sir, I am an IT in charge at Akola DCC Bank.
Okay, great. And by hearing the feelings of your son, I think that the first thing which you should do is buy one bicycle.
Yes, sir. Of course.
Can be used by you, your son, as well as his mother also.
Of course, sir. Of course.
So just try to do that.
Yes, sir.
Let me give one small information. I still use bicycle for going to any place. And
I have seen you, sir. I have seen you many times.
Great thing, sir. So really wonderful thing, and the picture or poster was too good. But many a times I think that you are busy in your job, so much care of your son will be taken by his mother.
Yes,
so
sir.
Listen some few words from her also. Please, I know today is the holiday, you are busy in your everyday work, but we are pushing you in over here. I need to hear some few things from you also.
Good morning, sir. And
Good morning.
I am very happy that Safe Hand had given this opportunity to my son to present his view in the form of picture. So very very thanks, and I am very happy for his achievement.
Great. And tell me about your contribution in his achievement.
Nothing, sir. I have not done anything. His effort is that.
Okay.
We are very much thankful for Safe Hand, sir. Actually, every class is attended by Padmakant as well as his mother.
I am attending each and every class, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you are doing your 8th standard course again.
Again.
Fine, sir. Very good. I'm thankful to all of you. Over to Monica, ma'am. Next part. If you want to talk anything with them, please, because you are in charge of the event. This is the which he has drawn.
Yes,
It
sir.
is in water. It is one of the very difficult, and he has done this particular thing with great efforts.
Okay, Sam, thank you, sir. And thanks a lot, Padmakant. You have done a very fabulous work. And let me also comment on the everyday presence of Padmakant in class. So he used to tell us some new things which he hear on news. So it is a good thing that he is also not only watching that idiot box randomly for any of the thing, but he is doing good with even entertainment. So that is definitely appreciable.
Great,
Yes.
great,
So the
good.
next student we have is Shravani Thakre. She is from Prabhat Kids School. She stood second in drawing competition. And this is the drawing she has created. Shravani, can we speak to you, beta? Please start your video.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shravani. So I will switch you over to Oak sir. He will like to speak to you. I will stop sharing till that time.
Hello, Shravani.
Hello, sir.
Wonderful. And you have created a good picture, which I was able to see. It is left and right. On left, you are
Yes.
having some particular problems, and on right, you are having the solution. And you have also said over there that this is the real and this is the thing which we can change.
Yes.
With you in your view right now. Who are you, your family members? Introduce them to us.
Yes, this is my mother.
Okay.
Good morning.
Hello, ma'am.
This is my grandmother.
क्या बात है?
And
क्या
this
बात है?
is my grandfather.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, sir. Very good morning. So really, family is so good and so big that the frame is not able to cover you all. That is good thing. And this particular combined family also have a big impact on the students' development. So please tell me, what was the feeling in your mind when you drew the particular poster? What was?
Sir, I was feeling very. Sir, I was feeling very proud, and we should only change the pollution and whatever things we had to. And I also create many drawings. Actually, in this year, I have participated in many projects related to our environment,
Great.
eco calls projects, and many things in our school premises. That's why this drawing came in me.
Okay. Really good. The particular landscape which you have shown, the dried land, is really very impressive. And please tell me, have you visited any field earlier?
Yes.
Okay. You have gone to some village?
Yes.
Okay. What your parents do?
Actually, this is my
तुम्ही काय
mother.
करता जे? हा.
हा सर गुड मॉर्निंग सर. मी हाऊसवाईफ आहे
ग्रेट.
आणि माझी मुलगी नेहमी ड्रॉइंग कॉम्पिटिशन किंवा मग घरी पण फ्री टाइम मध्ये खूप ड्रॉइंग करते आणि तिचं ड्रॉइंग खूप परफेक्ट आहे. आणि
Great,
तिचे
great,
हे जे प्राइज वगैरे मिळतात हे आम्हाला नेहमी कुठे कुठे जावं लागतं तिच्या प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्युशनला. मला खूप
Wonderful.
प्राऊड होते तिच्यावरती.
क्या
हां,
बात.
मला मला खूप प्राऊड आहे तिच्यावरती. खूप छान ड्रॉइंग आहे तिचं. आणि तुम्ही तिला सेकंड रँक वगैरे दिलं त्याच्यामुळे थँक यू तुमचं पण.
नाही, आमच्या एक्झामिनर्स पॅनलने दिलं मॅडम, आम्ही काय दिलं. दे हॅव चोजन हर. इट इज हर कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन.
हां, हां. आज तिचे पप्पा आउट ऑफ स्टेशन आहेत त्याच्यामुळे ते काही पार्टिसिपेट नाही होऊ शकले.
ओके,
हां. हां, तिचे ग्रँड पॅरेंट्स आहेत बसलेले.
बरोबर बरोबर. आजी
ठीक आहे सर.
दोघंही आहे.
आजी पण आहे, आजोबा पण आहेत.
करेक्ट 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 करेक्ट.
हो, हो.
नमस्कार नमस्कार.
आमची जॉईंट फॅमिली आहे.
हो.
त्याच्यामुळे आणि तिला खूप एन्करेज होते सगळ्यांमुळे.
नाही,
श्रावणीला.
प्रश्नच नाही काय मॅडम. आजी आजोबा घरामध्ये असणं म्हणजे फार मोठी प्रश्न आहे सध्याशी.
हां.
Really good, and it is really appreciated that you have removed the mind pollution. That is great thing, because nowadays there is a particular wave which says that the grandparents must not be in our house. So you have removed that pollution also, which is very dangerous pollution called as mind pollution. And definitely you and your family will do the needful, and the things will continue. I request Monica ma'am to proceed further with this particular next participant and next achiever.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Shravani. She is also a very active participant in our day-to-day discussion. So I am very happy that she have done a good job. Very good, Shravani. Third rank. So he is the student Shubham Borokar, and the school to which he belongs is Shri Jageshwar English School, Vadega. I am very proud to announce this, that the cream from all over Akola that we are having here. So it is giving us opportunity to develop ourselves as well as a very healthy competition among the cream, among the brilliant minds throughout the Akola. So Shubham, can I speak to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shubham. Over to Oksar. Sir, please.
Hello, Shubham. Are you?
Sir, good morning.
Very good morning.
Thank you, sir.
Your poster was having totally different way of approach. You have made the complete earth as a canvas, and on the right side there is a happy earth, and on the left side there is a sad earth. How this thing came to your mind?
Sir, this is ये मुझे मेरी मम्मी ने बताया.
अच्छा, तो क्या बात है. मम्मी को भी जरा हमसे इंट्रोड्यूस करवा दीजिए. शुभम की मम्मी क्या करती है, और ये इस ऐसी कल्पनाएं, बहुत सुंदर कल्पनाएं जो है वो आपके दिमाग में कैसे आती है?
I am drawing teacher.
क्या बात है, वंडरफुल.
लेकिन ये मैंने सिर्फ आइडिया दी है, ये खुद ने उसने ही किया है.
निश्चित निश्चित मैडम, ड्राइंग टीचर होने के बाद में आप कहीं पर भी कॉपी के लिए एनकरेज नहीं करोगी, हमें भरोसा है इस बात पे. एंड प्रोवाइडेड रियली अ न्यू एंड वंडरफुल कंसेप्ट टू हिम. The canvas itself is a earth, so this is a very good way of thinking, and he has said this is our past and this is our present. So very good way of presentation. और शुभम के पिताजी क्या करते हैं मैडम? नमस्कार सर.
नमस्कार. मी सुद्धा टीचरच आहे. आय एम सर्विंग इन Vidyalaya, Sasti, as an English teacher.
Okay. So the particular language and the drawing both are in your home itself. So definitely the creativity of your son will be a very wonderful thing. Shubham, what are your other hobbies other than drawing? Do you read books?
Yes, and playing piano.
You play piano also?
Yes.
Piano or synthesizer?
Piano.
Great. Wonderful thing. So anything else you will like to add?
No, sir.
Are you happy with the particular online classes which are going on at present?
I guess he didn't hear the question, sir.
The particular network problem might be there. Anyway, ma'am, you can proceed further.
Congratulations, Shubham. शायद आपको yes Shubham, you want to say anything?
No, teacher.
I want to say things.
Okay, your father want to add anything?
No. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, sir. All right. Now we have given third rank to Arya Agrawal as
Two
well.
students.
She is yes, because the concept is very nice. In one picture, she has given the comparison for all the three types of pollution. So it is more related to the syllabus that we are covering, and that is why third rank is also given to Arya. Arya is from Mount Carmel High School, and I will like sir to speak to Arya. Arya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Arya. Sir, please.
Hello, Arya.
Hello, sir.
Namaste, sir.
नमस्कार अग्रवाल जी. तो आर्या ने बहुत अच्छा ड्राइंग निकाला है, उसमें ताजमहल भी है, उसमें पोल्यूशन के बारे में बात की है. पोल्यूशन जो उनको उनके सिलेबस से रिलेटेड है, वो पूरे सब पोल्यूशन वहां पर उसने कवर किए हैं.
यस सर.
ये विशेषता है उसकी. एक सर्कुलर पैटर्न में उसने ड्राइंग बनाया है. के दो हिस्सों में ताजमहल है और नीचे एक सिटी के जैसा कुछ है कि भाई पहले कैसा हरा भरा था और अब कैसा पूरा एकदम से सूखा सूखा सा बन गया है सब. तो आर्या, ये कंसेप्ट कैसे आपके दिमाग में आती है और कैसे वो कागज पर उतरती है?
During the classes, Monica madam teaches us very nicely. She teaches the pollution so nicely, and she has also given many examples of all three types of pollution. So I got the concept from the examples.
Wonderfully. Actually, she gave the examples to every student, not only to you.
Yes, sir.
Creativity that you were able to put it on page and you were able to decorate it properly. So wonderful thing. What your mothers do?
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
माँ क्या करती है?
सर मैं टीचर हूँ, स्कूल ऑफ स्कॉलर में.
अच्छा, आप स्कूल ऑफ स्कॉलर्स में टीचर हो. कौन से सब्जेक्ट के मैडम?
हिंदी सब्जेक्ट है सर मेरा.
बहुत अच्छा मैडम, बहुत अच्छा. और
ड्राइंग इसने इसके खुद के मन से बनाया हुआ है, सोच के. मैंने भी हेल्प नहीं किया है, उसके पापा ने भी हेल्प नहीं की है.
अच्छा, पापा क्या करते हैं?
सर मी शंकरलाल खंडेलवाल कॉलेजला ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह स्टाफ मध्ये आहे.
ओके, so you are managing every teacher over there. Okay, great sir, great. आर्या, और आपकी कोई हॉबीज होगी, आपके कुछ दिमाग में कुछ कल्पनाएं होगी, थोड़ा हमारे दर्शकों के साथ में और आप हमारे साथ में शेयर करो प्लीज उसे.
So I like rangoli.
You like to draw rangolis?
Yes.
Okay, and which type of rangoli?
Every time.
Every type. Great, wonderful. Someday or other we will like to have a look at your rangoli designs also. You must be having some few photographs of them or something like that. Certainly we will like to go through it. And doubtlessly, yes, this particular program will be on YouTube also. You can see it once again. You can have the other people who are going to talk. That also you will get the things. So thank you very much for spending some little time with all of us. And this is the drawing which Arya has done. And that is what I was saying, that upper part is Taj, lower part is our everyday life around us. And see the barrel thing which has happened earlier. There was fish and greenery everywhere. So good thing which she has done. So ma'am, I request you to proceed further.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Arya, and thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Agrawal, to share your views with us. Hopefully, you are happy with all these activities going on.
Yes, madam.
Yes. So let me shift to next. The second competition was slogan writing, and I'm happy that students have participated brilliantly in this competition as well. I will go to first participant, in fact, first rank holder, Janavi Sarode. She is from school Nishu Nursery and Kothari Convent, Akola. The slogan that we have, she has sent some 3 of the slogans. All the 3 were good, but the selected one is this. So it is really impressive, and koi hoarding agar lekar wo bilkul raste par chalti hai, so definitely the people will mind it, the people will appreciate it. So very good, Janvi. Janvi, are you there? Please start your video.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Janvi. Janvi and her mother is there. Sir, will you please talk to them?
Janvi, first of all, I will request you to read your slogan by yourself. Do you have that slogan with you?
Yes, sir.
Please read it for everyone over here.
Reduce, reuse, recycle, recover are the 4 magical ways to see the Mother Earth all happy always.
Wonderfully said. Wonderfully said. So you are talking about Mother Earth and your mother is sitting beside you. I will like what she is doing and how she contributes in your development. Mother of Arya. Sorry, Janvi.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste. तो आप क्या करती हो मैडम?
हाउस वाइफ हूँ सर.
ग्रेट. हाउस कीपर हो आप, पूरे आप घर को मैनेज करती हो. बहुत अच्छा रहता है ये. और जानवी के डेवलपमेंट में आपका बहुत बड़ा सहयोग रहा होगा निश्चित रूप से.
लेकिन पण सर ती खूप मनानेच करते, म्हणजे तिच्या याच्यामध्येच असते दिवसभर आणि ती खूप मनानेच करते, कारण की आमच्या इथे बिझनेस असल्यामुळे.
प्रत्येक गृहिणीचा हा मोठेपणा असतो की सगळ्या ठिकाणी तीच पाठीशी असते पण क्रेडिट दुसऱ्यांना देते.
आमचा बिझनेस असल्यामुळे कसं खूप वेळ आम्हाला घरी पण द्यावं लागतं, बिझनेस मध्ये बायका वगैरे कामाला असतात तर.
बर 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 बर.
त्यामुळे तिच्याकडे लक्ष देणं नाही होत.
बर. तर सगळ्यात
आणि मला 3 मुली आहे ना.
अच्छा 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 अच्छा. तर विशिष्ट असं आहे की जे त्यांच्या सिलेबस मध्ये म्हणलेलं आहे 5R, इट हॅज बीन इन्क्लुडेड इन सिलेबस. त्या सिलेबस मधल्या 5R बद्दलच तिने ते सगळं काही लिहिलेलं आहे. आणि दिस इज रिअली गुड थिंग दॅट she has created this. This is not borrowed from somewhere. तर हा निश्चितपणे एक खूप मोठा महत्वाचा भाग आहे. तर जानवी, आम्हाला आणखीन काही तू अशा तऱ्हेचं काम करतेस का? काही कविता वगैरे करतेस का? काही हे करतेस का? आम्हाला सांग थोडंसं. काही पेंटिंग करते का? थोड्या तुझ्या हॉबीज बद्दल आणि तुझ्या अचीवमेंट्स बद्दल आम्हाला सांग बेटा प्लीज.
मी स्केचिंग करते कधी कधी.
ओके. म्हणजे स्केचिंग.
व्हॉट्स
पोर्ट्रेट स्केचिंग.
तिचं ड्रॉइंग खूप छान आहे सर.
अच्छा.
तिला खूप प्राइज वगैरे मिळालेले आहेत.
अच्छा. मग याच्यामध्ये मग ड्रॉइंग जे करतेस ते कुठल्या तऱ्हेचे ड्रॉइंग असतात प्रामुख्याने?
सर ते मुलींचे स्केचेस असतात.
अच्छा.
पोल्युशन याच्यावर पण करते.
ओके. मग तू याच्यामध्ये काही परीक्षा वगैरे दिलेल्या आहेस ड्रॉइंगच्या?
नाही सर.
बर.
जे कॉम्पिटिशन
बिलकुल एकलव्य. ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट.
तिच्या मनानेच करते. क्लासेस वगैरे कोणतेच नाही तिला ट्युशन शिवाय. बाकी
काही गरजच नाही मॅडम. कला ही उपजतच असते आणि ती
तिला मनाने. तिची हँडरायटिंग वगैरे पण खूप सुंदर आहे ना, म्हणून तिला स्कूलमध्ये खूप हे करतात, त्यासाठी पण तिला मिळालेले आहेत.
गुड. ग्रेट. वंडरफुल. जानवी, कीप दिस पर्टिक्युलर थिंग अप. गो ऑन रीडिंग फेरोशियसली. जितकं वाचशील तेवढं खूप चांगलं राहील. वेगवेगळ्या लोकांच्या बद्दल माहिती घे, वेगवेगळ्या लोकांच्या बद्दल माहिती वाच. आणि मराठी वाच, इंग्रजी वाच, हिंदी वाच. कुठल्याही भाषेचं वाईट नाही, परंतु वाचन हे फार आवश्यक आहे. वाचाल तर वाचाल हे फार महत्वाचं मोठं वाक्य आहे. सो ओव्हर टू मोनिका मॅम, प्लीज लेट अस प्रोसीड फर्दर. आय थिंक नेक्स्ट पृथा.
Yes, sir. Next one is Prutha Kakad, and she is from Holy Cross Country Convent High School, Akola. Prutha has also sent us some 5 slogans, and I'm very happy to say that all the slogans are fabulous. this is really we can say having a hammering effect कि जो भी पढ़ेगा वो एक बार सोचेगा कि हाँ यार हम लोग ये बुरा काम कर रहे हैं. So well done, Prutha. Prutha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Prutha. So sir will like to speak to you. Over to Prutha.
Yes, Prutha.
Yes, sir. Good morning,
Hello.
sir.
Good morning. I have gone through your all 5 slogans. Ma'am has done really very good job that she has chosen 1 out of 5. But if it would have been told to me, it was so confusing to choose the best one because all the 5 were too best, too good. And it was really difficult to choose any particular one. How this particular thing came to your mind and how you are doing all these things?
So, first of all, as we know that pollution is really harmful for us. And it is true that it is bad for us. And those who do pollution are more worse than it. But if we do not take a step against it, then we are the worst amongst them. Because it is our responsibility to keep our health good, and even them also we should tell that how bad pollution is.
Whether this only in your words or in your life also. Means whenever you put your garbage out of your house, is it segregated properly, the green garbage and the dry garbage?
Yes, I have my grandfather has planted many trees also around our house, and
Okay.
we also give water to it. I have planted one among them.
Wonderful, wonderful. And you are taking care of it also.
Yes, sometimes.
Good, wonderful. And which type of pen you are using for writing? Is it a dot pen or is it a fountain pen?
Sir, fountain pen.
You are using fountain pen?
Yes, sir.
Very good. This is really helping to remove the pollution because dot pens are the one which are increasing pollution like anything. After every refill, you throw the refill out and that adds the plastic to the environment. So really good thing which you are doing. And where is your grandfather then? Is he there?
Sir, he is not here right
Okay, okay, okay. So let me get introduced with your mother. काकड मॅडम, काय करता तुम्ही आणि काय कशा तऱ्हेने पृथाच्या याच्यामध्ये तुमचं मदत होते?
हॅलो.
हा, प्लीज मॅम. Yes, we are able to hear you.
मला मुळातच अभ्यासाची खूप आवड आहे. ती नॅशनल कराटे लेवल चॅम्पियन आहे सर.
अरे बापरे, कराटे आणि हे एकदमच वेगळं झालं.
हा, तिने हिमाचलला सर गोल्ड मेडल मिळालेलं आहे नॅशनल.
We all appreciate you for this really great thing, and you have got the gold medal. We were not knowing about it, but now from your mother we came to know. So we appreciate you for this. And you are doing wonderful job. You are studying as well as you are writing wonderful slogans. You are playing karate. You are having the gold medal in karate at national level. Really wonderful achievements. How do you manage the time for all this thing?
Sir, I have that batches of karate, but right now I'm not able to do because I'm not in Akola right now.
Right. Due to COVID, you are not in Akola?
Yes, sir.
True. But you will be, and you will do good even afterwards. So I think that we will go further. This is the thing which he has said. Pollution is bad, polluters are worse, and the particular thing very wonderfully said by her. So Monica ma'am, can we move to the next participant?
Sure, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Prutha. Prutha, all the best for your future in karate as well as studies. So let us move to the, okay, yes. Third rank, Riya Yadav. She is from Holy Cross Convent High School, Akola. And she has written this. So, Riya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ria. So, sir, please, can you have a small talk with Ria?
Certainly, ma'am. I will be obliged to talk to her. So, Ria, where are you right now?
So I am in Akola.
You are in Akola itself. And I think your father is behind you?
No, he's
sir,
a brother.
I'm his brother.
Brother. Okay.
Yeah.
No, because distance is not able to give the feeling of your age. Yes,
Right.
now I can see the things. Great, great, great. Now I won't call you her father. Now definitely I can see. Right. So Ria, you have written the particular slogan which is related with green land, clean water, pure air. So how these feelings came to your mind?
So as we stayed near Pikwi area, so there we sometimes when the Pikwi is open, that because of COVID, it is not open every day. So we used to go Pikwi. So there we used to see the trees and all that. So I thought that now there is a competition, so let's do something. So I got an idea and do that. I've done that.
Wonderful. Have you written this particular type of thing earlier, or this is your first effort?
So for first time.
It seems it is so pure and so new that it appears that it is your first effort. Really good. And what are your other hobbies?
So I love dancing
Okay,
and singing.
wonderful. और सिलाई मशीन पर कौन काम करता है घर पे आपके?
Mom.
अच्छा, क्योंकि मेरी माँ भी बहुत अच्छी तरह से सिलाई करती थी और काफी हद तक हमारा जो रोजमर्रा का जरिया था वो उसके ऊपर चलता था. And she was very good in stitching as well as भरत काम भी करती थी वो. तो ये बहुत बड़ी अच्छी कला है जो आपकी मदर करती है. और बाकी आपके घर के लोगों के बारे में बताइए हमें थोड़ा, क्या क्या करते?
In our house we are 4. My brother, my father and mother and me. My father is a farmer. Mother is a housewife, and brother is a student.
I am in a VIT college, Pune.
Okay.
Second year, yeah. I passed out from your safe hands only.
I know. I saw your face and I remembered that particular thing. Great.
Yeah.
And right now the classes must be from home.
Yeah, from like last 1 year, it's online only.
Online only, right? Very correct. So this is the scenario, and Ria is doing really good thing, and she has written the particular slogan, which is very touchy slogan. And see the beauty that this was her first effort, and that's how the particular thing is. And her father is a annadata for us. He is a farmer. तो अभी के इसमें इन लोगों ने ही केवल काम किया था और डॉक्टर लोगों ने. Obviously the people who were looking at the particular law and order, that also is there. मगर हमारे अन्नदाता यही लोग हैं और हम आगे चलकर इन लोगों पर ही पूरा निर्भर होने वाला है. Industry is not going to do anything. It is the farmers who are going to proceed further our country, and they are the one who will be continuing to give importance to our country properly. So Ria, you are daughter of our Annadata. Be proud of it and do well. Don't have any type of ill feeling or the particular inferiority complex within you. You are good, your family is good, and you are going to do well. Over to ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ria. And good work, beta. Keep it up. Let us move to the next competition. It was poem writing. And I am very happy that आज का जो पूरा शेड्यूल हो रहा है, जितनी अच्छी से हम लोग आप लोगों को जान रहे हैं, तो पोएम राइटिंग के हेल्प से भी we have come to know various feelings related to pollution from you. A very good response. First rank is grabbed by Gargi Kulkarni. She is from Mount Carmel High School, Akola. And the poem, we may not get much time to read it here, but definitely if you visit Safe Hand site, you will be able to read her poem. So Gargi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Gargi is with her mother. So
Yes.
I request Oak sir to have a small talk with Gargi.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, sir.
So, Gargi, please tell us what you are doing, how you get this particular wonderful poem to your mind, and how you were able to design it in your mind.
As we all were going through pandemic and lockdown, so that time once I saw the news, and in that it was showing that the pollution level in there is a bit decreased, and the Himalayan ranges were visible from Chandigarh. And then I thought that this world is beautifully created by God, and we humans are polluted. That I got idea to write such a poem.
Wonderful, really wonderful. And please tell us what your mother do. What is she do?
Hello, sir. I'm
Hi.
principal in. I'm a principal in Khandelwal English.
Right, great. Your school has organized one very great national level event recently, na?
Yes. Yes, sir. On 19th Jan, we arranged one science meet, and it was wonderful response by the students.
Right. And Gargi, I hope that you must be knowing the meaning of Gargi.
Yes, sir. I know.
She was a great lady.
Yes, she was a great mathematician, and also she liked literature.
Wow. So you know these things.
Yes, sir. And I too like
Mathematics as well as
Yes.
literature.
Yes.
But liking in literature we have seen definitely. And I will like to see your liking in mathematics by performing good at RMO exams and other exams like that.
Yes, sir.
Paired
Definitely.
with that. And anything else you want to add, and anything else you like to add to your friends, your other viewers?
Yes, sir. Sir, first I will like to thank the entire team of Safe Hands for giving me the opportunity to convey my thoughts.
Okay.
And I am proud to be a part of Safe Hands.
Great.
She is big fan of Monica ma'am.
Yes.
Right. Lot many students are fan of Monica ma'am, as I am.
Yes,
She is
sir.
really doing good. Doubtlessly, yes. Monica ma'am, please listen
I'm
to it.
privileged.
Okay.
I am embarrassed with that, sir. The students are good, and guidance from sir, definitely it is doing a whole thing to promote us, to take us to the next level.
Yeah.
So Gargi and her mother, thank you very, very much, and keep up the good work. Actually, we would like to have more inputs from your side. आप जितने भी parents हैं, तो आप जितने हम लोगों को inputs देते हैं, definitely appreciation हम लोगों को अच्छा ही लगेगा, सभी को अच्छा लगेगा. But आप inputs भी देते हैं, तो those are most welcome. Thank you very, very much, Gargi.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
One last question, Gargi. Is this your own handwriting?
Sir,
Great. Really good.
thank you.
चलो प्रोसीड करते हैं दूसरे पार्टिसिपेंट की तरफ. वेदांत.
Vedant has written a big poem and एकदम 2 page long, लेकिन the poem is good, and he is from Mount Carmel School, very nicely written. So Vedant, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Vedant, over to Oak sir. Sir, please.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. So
Good morning,
Vedant,
sir.
tell me how wonderfully you have written the poem. You have drawn some sketches also with that poem, and your parents are with you. Your mother,
Namaskar. Good morning, sir.
father, are they?
Yes, sir.
Great, good, wonderful. So please tell us some few
Yes,
things
sir.
about your efforts.
Sir, from when we were a child, we are told that from our parents and teachers that pollution is not good.
So from that, only that lines I have composed, and in that course of time only, Monica ma'am has completed a pollution lesson. So it was easy to compose the full poem.
Okay, good. And what your father do and what your mother do?
Sir, they both are teachers.
Wow. Really, I'm really happy that several many teachers, sons, teachers, daughters are with us. I'm proud of it. Teachers are really having ability to generate wonders. So, लखडे सर कुठे असता, आपण कुठल्या शाळेला असता, मॅडम कुठल्या शाळेला?
वाडेगावला लेक्चरर आहे सर.
वाडेगावला आहात आपण. आणि मॅडम?
मी झेडपी शाळेला आहे, जिल्हा परिषद शाळेला टीचर आहे.
रिधोऱ्याला. खूपच चांगली गोष्ट आहे मॅडम. आणि जिल्हा परिषदेच्या शाळेमध्ये शिकवणं ही खरी कला असते. आम्ही लोक तर निवडून घेतो विद्यार्थी आणि त्यांना शिकवत असतो, आमचा चॉईस असतो. तुम्ही लोक जे करता ही खूप मोठी गोष्ट आहे सर, खूप मोठी गोष्ट आहे.
तुमचं पण अभिनंदन. Such type of stage you create for student expressing his views, feelings and emotions through poems.
True. Definitely, and he has done it very wonderfully. आणि आमची इच्छा राहील प्रामाणिकपणे की बाकीच्यांनी व्हिजिट करावं, त्याची कविता वाचावी, कवितेवरून काहीतरी प्रेरणा घ्यावी आणि त्याप्रमाणे वागावं.
बऱ्याच वेळा पोयम लिहितो, मराठीतही लिहितो आणि इंग्रजीतही लिहितो आणि आम्हाला दाखवतो. आणि तो हितवाद मधलं ते ट्विंकल वगैरे वाचत राहतो.
व्हेरी गुड.
मला प्रेरणा भेटली तर आम्ही त्याला गुड म्हणतो नेहमी. आणि मराठीमध्ये तो बऱ्याच कविता करतो. विठू माऊली वगैरे त्यानं केली आता.
बरं. खूपच छान सर. आणि तसं तुमची ओळख आहे माझी. फॉर्मली बोलणं आवश्यक होतं सर, म्हणून मी तशा तऱ्हेचं बोललो. सगळं माहिती होतं, पण लोकांना माहिती होण्यासाठी काही आवश्यक असतात.
माझ्या लेखाला तुमचं लाईक असते सर.
येस, नक्कीच सर. चांगलं असतं म्हणूनच असतं ना सर, काही प्रत्येकाच्या याला थोडी चांगलंच असतं ते, म्हणूनच असतं तशा तऱ्हेचं. सो रिअली ग्रेट थिंग, अँड वी विश स्टील बेटर कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन फ्रॉम वेदांत. अँड निश्चितपणे हा अशा तऱ्हेचं काहीतरी करेल की ज्याच्यामुळे तुमच्या दोघांचंही नाव खूप मोठं होईल सर, मला खात्री आहे अशा तऱ्हेची. आणि ही फार सुंदर कविता आहे, प्रत्येकाने वाचावी अशा तऱ्हेची आहे. परंतु आपल्याला प्रत्येकाचं कविता वाचन इथे ठेवता येत नाहीये, कारण की त्याच्यामध्ये वेळ खूप जाईल आपला. आणि आमची इच्छा अशी आहे की प्रत्येकाने प्रयत्न करावा, आणि ही त्यांनी कविता लिहू शकला तो, तर आम्ही वाचू तर नक्कीच शकतो. आमच्या साईटवरती आहे, आपल्या safehandsakola.org वरती पण या सगळ्या कविता आहेत. लोकांनी त्याला व्हिजिट करावी आणि वाचावं ही आमची इच्छा राहील. मॅम, नेक्स्ट पार्टिसिपंट.
Yes, sir. So congratulations Vedant. Let us move to next Rugved Lakde, and he has created this poem, and he is from School of Scholars. Rugved, if you are there, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Rugved. Okay, Rugved. So sir, over to you.
Right. Yes, Rugved.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, and congratulations to you for two things. Really good poem, doubtlessly, yes, as well as very well written also. The combination of those particular green patches over there appearing very great. And it might be the case that feeling came to your mind by the curtain which is behind you, that also is green in color with green patches.
Yes.
Right. So please tell some few things about you as well as your family, what they are doing, how you are developed, what is contribution of your mother. I feel that sister is sitting beside you.
Yes, sir. She is my sister. My
Right.
mother is a professor at Shankarlal Khandelwal College.
Okay.
And my father.
And what your father?
He is a principal at Dinkar College, Sasti.
Wonderful. He is not there?
Yes, sir. No, he was busy right now, so he couldn't join us.
Okay, no problem. Some other day we will talk to him. And right now, please tell us how you do the poems at such an early age and how this comes.
I have written this poem first time.
क्या बात, सच में?
Yes, sir.
अरे बहुत अच्छी लिखी है यार, बहुत अच्छी लिखी है. लिखा करो अब इसके बाद में.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right, right. And what your mother do?
Sir, she is a professor at Shankarlal Khandelwal College.
Which subject, madam?
Department of Sociology. I am a professor in sociology.
क्या बात है. Definitely your contribution is wonderful. And what your sister is doing right now?
Sir, she is an MBBS student at
Okay.
NJM College, Aurangabad.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
Actually, I'm right now done with my exams, so I'm
Yeah.
here with him.
Right. Very correct. So online, everything is online, and you people definitely know more than us about all these particular pandemic and all.
Actually, sir, our university exams took place in physical, like, appearance of ourselves. Like, they were not online. So we have to
Okay.
go to college and we have to do that.
Okay, for exams you were forced to go, but the
Yes.
classes are online.
Yes, the classes were totally online.
Okay, and in which year are you right now?
So I have completed my second year. I'll be soon promoted to third year.
So the particular practicals are much over as such.
So practicals are due. From
Okay.
22 to 27 we'll be having our practicals. After that, from 1 April, we'll be having a college.
So you also design some poems or something like that? Is it in
Yes, sir.
blood also?
I have habits since 5th standard. Actually, I write in 3 languages, and
क्या बात
I'm
है? Wonderful, really good. So train your younger brother for all these things, because
Yes, sir, sure.
it's a very powerful way of expressing ourselves. In very small amount of words, a very large feelings can be transmitted.
Yes,
Sir, he has made one video on this particular subject in his school project. And
Okay.
it was totally his own creation, sir.
Wow. Really good, ma'am. This is really wonderful.
And also he is the player of chess student, and he has earned many awards in district and
National
zonal
level
and
also.
national level also.
Yes, sir.
Wow. So chess is really a game of intelligent people. He is playing that. He is writing poems. He is having wonderful background. The parents are from teaching line. The sister is going to become a doctor.
Yes.
So future appears to be wonderful for him. So I wish best luck for his all further journey, and we will move further to
Yes,
the.
sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome,
Thank
ma'am. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome from bottom of my heart.
थैंक यू ऋग्वेद. एंड जितने प्राउडली आप लोग बता रहे हैं आपके वर्ड के बारे में, बिलीव अस, वी आर शेयरिंग दैट सेम फीलिंग. इट इज सच अ नाइस फीलिंग कि आप सब लोग इतना अच्छा कर रहे हो एंड यू आर शेयरिंग दैट विद अस. थैंक यू वेरी मच एवरी वन ऑफ यू. द नेक्स्ट वन इज Shivraj Dongre. He's a student of School of Scholars, Kalkhed, Akola. And Shivraj has written a very nice poem. Shivraj?
Yes, ma'am.
Shivraj, are you there? Yes. Shivraj, sir will speak to you now.
Shivraj,
Yes.
before I start talking to you, I will talk with all participants who were right from the beginning over here. I really appreciate the number of participants who have left is extremely less. Generally, the habit is this, that my felicitation is over, now I will quit, and they will leave. But it is not so. Almost every participant is still there. I really appreciate this feeling. So it is not the case that our felicitation is done, now we will leave. We should appreciate everyone's contribution. And I really appreciate that we are appreciating you also. So Shivraj, tell us about you, your family members. Where are you staying? What are you doing? Everything about you, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, we are in Akola itself.
Okay.
And this is my mother, and I am with my mother and father.
Right. नमस्कार नमस्कार. तर तुम्ही लोक काय करता सर?
Sir, myself Digambar Dongre. I am working with seed company, sir. Actually, from last 20 years, I am working with most of अलग-अलग सीड कंपनी में काम करता हूँ. महिको में किया है, कावेरी में किया है. मैंने आपका सर अटेंड करता हूँ, टॉपिक पे अटेंड किया. बीटी टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में आपने बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाया सर लोगों को, बच्चों को.
Thank you,
सर. एंड टॉप 10 कंपनीज के बारे में भी, यानी ये एग्रीकल्चर रिलेटेड बच्चों को आप अच्छा टीच कर रहे हैं.
थैंक यू सर. मगर आप जो कर रहे हैं उसके कंपैरिजन में मेरा कुछ भी नहीं है, वो केवल शब्दों के बुलबुले थे. आप तो पूरा फील्ड में हो उसके.
यस सर, यस सर. थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू.
ग्रेट थिंग. एंड मिसेस क्या करती है? शिवराज माँ क्या करती है?
सर शी इज हाउसवाइफ.
ग्रेट. हाउस मैनेजर.
यस सर, यस सर.
घर को संभालती है सर. वो अगर नहीं रही तो बहुत मुश्किल जाता है.
यस सर, राइट सर.
राइट. ग्रेट थिंग.
एंड थैंक यू सर. सेफ एंड इसके जो भाई बहन है वो आपके इससे ही पढ़ के कोई MBBS KM से किया है, किसने इधर अभी बारामती में है. इसकी जो ये है वो आपके यहाँ से सर अच्छे से पढ़ के गया. और आपका थैंक यू सर. आप ये इसके साथ साथ ये भी कर रहे हैं, इसके लिए थैंक यू सर.
वेलकम सर. वेलकम. अब थोड़ा सा
Can we both say that safe hands are really safe hands?
Okay, great. देखो वो कवि लोग अलग ही बोलते हैं सब पूरा. लोग नहीं बोल सकते उस तरह से. So really good thing. So Shivraj, how this particular poem came to your mind? Whether you do this type of work regularly or this was your first effort?
Sir, this was first effort. This was first time I have done, and when Monica ma'am was teaching that lesson, I have listed out the key words, that key points that would happen if the pollution will increase, and I have then made them in a poem form.
Wonderful. Wonderfully done. Really great.
Thank you.
Monica ma'am.
Yes, sir.
I really.
Yes,
please.
sir. Please. We have one very big achievement with us, along with all these students who have expressed brilliantly themselves. So I have one more very nice thing to share with all our viewers. That is our brilliant student, our we can say who is very good in oratory, who writes poem, and who participates nicely in class, as well as he is a VVM qualifier. So I am talking about Atharva Chaudhary. I would like sir to tell some more about this exam, as well as speak to Atharva. Atharva, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Over to you, sir.
So Atharva.
Yes, sir.
You have qualified through district,
Yes,
and
sir.
please tell us what was your experience for this exam?
Sir, my experience, first of all, I would like to thank Monica ma'am for giving me this opportunity to speak here. The experience was very good. Means online exams are always a bit tension because it's a new pattern introduced to us. I was a bit nervous that how will it go, that my exam or my link or the PDF will reach to them, my video will reach to them. There was nervousness that Wi-Fi should not go down, net should not go down. But overall, it was a good experience.
Great.
And I learned a new that about Panchang and Almanacs. I have never heard about them, but because of that portion, at least I read that.
Really great. Really great. And please tell us about your family members. What your father do, what your mother do.
My father is a businessman in construction and my mother is a housewife. Thank you.
Wonderfully. Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. And good morning, sir. I'm able to see with the wonderful background over there on the wall. Huge number of achievements are hung over there, and some gold medals, some bronze medals, lot many. What are your hobbies and how you participate over there?
So my hobbies are collecting seashells. Wherever I go, I just collect seashells, and I like to read books and novels.
Okay, great. Really
And
great.
these medals are from academic and other curriculum activities also.
Okay, wonderful. तो चौधरी साहब, आपका बच्चा जो है वीवीएम की इसमें उसने सिलेक्ट किया। बहुत आगे की खुशी की बात यह है कि वीवीएम के लिए 10वीं में से महाराष्ट्र की तरफ से जो टीम गई, वो टीम में 3 लोग पार्टिसिपेट हुए। तीनों में से 2 लोग जो है वो अकोला के हैं। So this is the achievement, and I certainly think that Atharva should prepare himself for the next year, and next year he should represent Maharashtra. Not only Maharashtra, he should do well in national exam also and try to be wonderful performer over there. और एक बहुत रहती है, ये एग्जाम को बहुत बड़े लोगों ने प्रमोट किया है। The ISRO head is there, the DRDO head is there, the NTSC head is there, NCERT head is there, and the particular Vidyarthi Vigyan Mandal is there, Rashtriya Vigyan Manch is there. All great people are there. And till now, the particular winners were given the final prize through the hands of the first person of our country, the Honorable President of India. तो ये इतनी बड़ी एग्जाम है, मगर इसके बारे में बहुत कम पता है हम लोगों को। वैसे इस साल मैंने कई स्कूल्स को इन्फॉर्म करने के कारण कई स्कूल ने भी पार्टिसिपेट किया था, स्कूल की तरफ से भी पार्टिसिपेशन गया था। And really it is worth to participate. Let me hope so. And as you have said, Atharva, that I was able to know about Panchang and all these things at the first time in my life. It is really true that our education system has been manipulated by Britishers in such a way that we are fools and we don't know anything about our science. We are only busy in performing rituals, whereas we have tremendous contribution in science. The formula for quadratic equation is designed by the Indian scientist. The Indian scientists have done the sine series, cos series, but we were not told about it. And the other problem is this, that some people are telling that everything is from us. That also creates a bad impression. तो ये इसमें से सच ढूंढ के निकालना ये बहुत important है। और जो उन्होंने किताबें दी है, जो पीडीएफ उन्होंने भेजी है, वो अपने दोस्त लोगों को भी ये करो, गिफ्ट करो उसको, बाकी लोगों को भी प्रेजेंट करो, अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स को वो दो। बहुत अच्छा लिखा हुआ है, बहुत अच्छी इंफॉर्मेशन है, और वो सब ट्रू है, मनगढ़ंत कहानियां नहीं है कहीं पर भी। तो पेरेंट्स आपके जो है वो कुछ भी बात नहीं कर रहे, मुझे थोड़ा सा ये है कि बोलने नहीं देता है कुछ बाकी लोगों को, सब खुद ही बोलता है।
नाही सर, तो स्वतःच इतकं बोलतो, तुम्ही एक्सपिरियन्स केला असेल, मोनिका मॅमने पण एक्सपिरियन्स केला असेल, त्याला जोपर्यंत त्याचा डाऊट क्लिअर होत नाही तो कोणाला बोलूच देत नाही। सर एक्सक्यूज मी सर करून तो त्याचा डाऊट क्लिअर होईपर्यंत सोडत नाही। त्याप्रमाणे तो घरी पण आम्हाला
बोलू देत नाही ना, त्याच्यामुळे सवय नाही राहिली तुम्हाला लोकांना बोलायची काही। ओके, ग्रेट, रियली। So next year, I expect that you and your family will, from bottom of your heart, will participate for VVM. There are some examples also. Please, बोला ना मॅडम।
नॅशनलचा रिझल्ट ज्या दिवशी डिक्लेअर झाला त्याच्या डोळ्यातनं टप 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 असं होते की मी सिलेक्ट नाही झालो।
बरोबर आहे मॅडम, बरोबर आहे, होतं त्याचं काहीच प्रश्न नाही। आणि जे एफर्ट्स करतात त्यांना याचं दुःख जास्ती होतं, जे काही एफर्ट्सच करत नाही त्यांना काहीच त्रास नसतो, त्याच्यामुळे हे होतच। आणि आम्हाला पण या गोष्टींचं दुःख होतं, परंतु यशामुळे आपल्याला आपल्या कार्याचं व्हॅल्युएशन होतं। परंतु यश मिळालं नाही तरी सुद्धा जे कार्य केलं ते तर आपल्याजवळ असतंच मॅडम।
त्याला तेच म्हटलं की तुला एक एक्सपिरियन्स मिळाला, तुला शिकायला मिळालं नवीन।
That is more important. That is more important. The particular benefits which we get out of it, they are bonus. The main achievement is going through that particular booklet, knowing about the particular different things, and that is more important. So with this, over to Monica ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, beta.
Thank you, sir. And I would like to comment अथर्व कि अच्छा हुआ पहली चांस में आपको पूरे सारी सक्सेस नहीं मिल गई यार, आगे क्या करोगे? You have still 4 years to achieve. तो बस जो बच गया है वो तो अब हासिल करना ही है. That is the motto, right?
Yes.
So yes, congratulations all of you, and thank you all of you to share your views and your achievements with us. जो भी बातें आप लोगों ने कही है, it was fun learning all these things. Be with us and always cooperate with us like this. If any other parent want to add anything, you are welcome. Otherwise, I will ask sir to conclude. Anybody?
Before I end the meeting, I will like to ask you, madam, that how such good concept came to your mind, how you evaluated the things, how you completed the event one-handedly, and along with this, your other lectures were going on, your other work was going on. So please tell us how you were able to do all these things.
Sir, yes, it is one style of sir to give me the credit. Actually, there are two very important things that I am enjoying literally throughout this year. First, that all my children in 8th standard, they are actually very vocal. They know how to express themselves. They are groomed in Safe Hands. This credit I will definitely take for Safe Hands. Ki they have now understood how to ask questions. So they will also accept that, and I am proud of that thing. तो एक चीज ये है कि जो भी एक्टिविटी डालो बच्चे तुरंत वो उसको रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहे हैं, तो वो जो चीज में मजा आ रहा है, दैट इज वन थिंग. सेकंड की सेफ हैंड्स की खासियत ये है कि यू पुट अ न्यू आइडिया and there will be always promotion, always be boosting to that. Nobody will tell you, especially never Oak sir will tell you ki ha ye mat karo. This is not in the prescribed thing. So always the new things are welcome there. And third, जो criteria था, मैंने क्लास में भी बताया, I am repeating it for all the students and parents, कि यार उठाओ मत नेट से, ये चोरी है. जो भी चीज आप पोएम्स या स्लोगन्स उठाते हो तो वो चोरी है. डू नॉट डू दैट. तो मच ऑफ माई टाइम वॉज डिवोटेड कि ये जो पोएम आई है वो कहीं नेट पर तो नहीं है, वो मुझे ढूंढना पड़ा. आई हैड टू डिस्क्वालिफाई मेनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट so that somebody should not object कि नहीं ये हमारी पोएम उठा के आपने आपके साइट पे डाल दी. That should not be there. So much of my time was wasted there. It is not, मैं आपको डांट नहीं रही हूँ, but it is definitely expected कि आप अगर है originality तो that should be practiced. So that is the expectation from all of you. So I guess this is it. Thank you very much, sir. And thank you everybody. And now I guess with sir's permission, we will end this.
In the program. Certainly, ma'am. Certainly.
Okay, sir. Thank you.